Hello and welcome to today's video. Hope you are doing great. Are you looking to understand better your relationship with money? Look no further than the book Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. This book has been praised by financial experts and regular readers alike. But why should you read it? Reading a book can provide a different perspective to you. Even if same book is read by different people, they can interpret it different way as per their understanding. Also, all can be correct. So in this video, I will try to present my perspective for the book on which you might agree or have different opinion on it. That's fine, as everyone is free to have their own perspective. So it's always advisable to read a book by yourself to have a better understanding of topic. In this book, Morgan tells us about the psychological biases and emotions that drive our financial decisions and explore how our past experiences, beliefs, and habits shape how we think about money. For many of us, money can be source of stress and confusion. We know we need it, but sometimes need to learn how to manage it or invest it in the way that it will secure our financial future. One of the key takeaway from the book is that importance of understanding the long-term nature of investing in building wealth. Morgan argues that our short-term focus and desires for immediate gratification can often lead to the poor financial decisions. True financial success comes from making smart decisions consistently over time. The Psychology of Money is not just a book about personal finance, it's about understanding human behavior and how it relates to money. Whether you are a seasoned investor or just starting to think about your financial future, Psychology of Money is must read. There are several reasons why someone should read this book by Morgan Housel. Here are a few. The book encourages readers to take a long-term perspective on the money, recognizing that financial success is often the result of steady, incremental progress over time. It also highlights the importance of having a clear understanding of one's own personal financial goals rather than comparing oneself to others. It offers insight into the role of luck and importance of humility in financial success. We need to understand that financial success is not always the product of good decisions but also luck. The book emphasizes the importance of understanding the emotional and behavioral factors that influence financial decision making and how psychological biases can lead to poor financial decisions. The book stresses the importance of saving, living below the means, and avoiding consumer debt. It also discusses how people who live below their means during their working years are the ones who have the financial freedom to retire early and even retire from work they don't like. The book provides insight into how investing in the quality companies can be one of the best ways to build wealth over the long term. It also encourages readers to focus on investing in companies with strong fundamentals and history of consistency. The book also highlights the relationship between money and the happiness and the importance of using money to create experiences and memories rather than just accumulating material possessions. It also shares that money can bring freedom and security, but it doesn't necessarily bring happiness. The book encourages readers to think about how they want to be remembered and kind of legacy they want to leave behind, both financially and otherwise. The book is written in a very easy to understand and relatable way. Housel uses personal anecdotes and real life examples to illustrate key concepts, making the material engaging and accessible. In summary, The Psychology of Money is an engaging and thought-provoking book that offers valuable insight into the personal finance and emotional and behavioral aspects. By reading this book, you can gain a deeper understanding of your freedom habits and learn how to make more informed decisions about your money. If you want to buy this book, you can find the link to it in the description section. That's all for this video. Please consider subscribing to the channel if you found this video helpful. See you next time. Nikhil Dhawan signing off.